Hello students, we learn today area related to circles. Class 10th. We already studied the basic concept of circles in the previous classes like radius, diameter and chord. In this section today we learn about area of sector and segment of circle. What is sector of circle? This is a circle. Center O. Sector is the portion of between two radii and arc is called sector. This portion is called sector. Find out the area. We know that area of circle is equal to pi r square. R is the radius of circle and pi will what is pi is equal to 22 upon 7. We know that in a circle total angle composed angle is 360 degree. So we can say that when angle is 360 degree, then area is pi r square. If angle is 1 degree, then area is pi r square upon 360 degree. If angle is 2 degree, then area is 2 into pi r square upon 360. And if angle is theta degree, then area is theta into pi r square upon 360 degree. So area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. This is a formula of finding area of any sector from angle theta. Now we discuss about segment. What is segment? The portion of circular region between a chord and an arc is called segment. This part is called segment. The portion between a chord and an arc is called segment. How to find the area of segment? We already studied area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now we can see that area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. Then area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB D. This portion area. Now we see an example. Find the area of a sector with radius 14 centimeter if angle of the sector is 60 degree. Given that radius is equal to 14 centimeter and sector angle is means theta is equal to 60 degree. If you draw a figure for this question, if the center O radius is 14 centimeter and angle is 60 degree, then find the area of sector. We know that the formula of area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is given 60 degree. Put 60 upon 360 into pi is 22 upon 7 r 14 centimeter. 14 into 14 because r square. R square means 14 into 14. Then we simplify it. 0 0 cancel out. 6 1 is 6, 6 6 is 36. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. 22 into 2 into 14 upon 6 1 is 6. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. Means 22 into 14 upon 3. When we multiply it, 14 to the 28, 14 to the 28 or and 2 30. 308 upon 3, 308 upon 3. Unit square, meter square. Our radius is centimeter. So area in centimeter square. That's it. Okay.